everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another little mini Lavinia haul. This is the new collection. It's just arrived on my doorstep and I thought I'd do a quick unveloping, really, isn't it? Not an unboxing of what it is. Inside my invoice I've been given some postcards here. This is really nice, and the opening days for the next festival that they do, so that's good. I always like to get some nice little freebies. Oh, and well, I'm guessing I've got a chocolate somewhere. It might still be in my bag. Oh, it is. It's here, and this is one I haven't had before. I wonder what flavour this one is. Let's have a look. I think it says Irish cream, but I'm not 100% certain. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with the stamp bundles. So this is the first one, and it is River Leaves Mini. So these are like the pound stamps, but I think they've actually gone up now, but I couldn't be 100% certain. And then this is Silver Leaves Mini. It looks a bit wishy-washy on there, to be honest. Then we've got Inner Gate. Oh, that's pretty, because I've not actually seen the new stamps, to be honest. I've not really took much notice. I just ordered them because I've just had a lot going on. And then I have Inner Door Wooden, what was it? Say that again, sorry. Inner Wooden Door, sorry. And it says Enchanted Garden on there. Then we've got Luca. Oh, nice little pussycat. Oh, I like that. They'll be really good for the Halloween ones as well. And then moss caps. So we've got some more mushrooms. Then we've got moss cap cluster. So we've got lots of them there. They're nice. And then we have River Root Corner Small. So we've got that. And then we've got some more pound ones. We've got Lucky Clover Mini. And another mini one. And this is Forest Leaves Mini. Camera's really struggling today to focus, so I do apologise. Then we have Elfin Cap Cluster. Oh, I like that one. That's nice. And then we've got a sentiment one, so Forbidden Secrets that says, but I know I'm going to attempt to try and read that because I know I'm not going to do it. Arch of Angels is the next one, so we've got another archy one. So it was like last time was bridges, and this looks like it's a lot of arches. And then we've got another Elfin Caps. Do apologise, I've got my back door open and there's some of the neighbours' doggies. And then we've got Dragon Tree Root Corner. It's not something I've ever used really as corner stamps, to be fair. So, and then we've got Wild Leaf Corner. And then we've got Tangled River Root Corner. So we've got like a left and right really, but the different designs. And then another corner which is Fawn Vine Corner. So we've got one going that way, one going that way, that way. Oh, right. So we've actually got three going that way and only one going this way. Although you could turn them any way you like, really. So it doesn't make any difference. It's just how they've been packaged. Not sure if I'll even use those, to be honest. I'm sure once I've seen some of the videos out that people have done using them, I will. But that'll teach me for not looking, because I just keep buying these bundles. Though I have said to myself I am not buying any more of the bundles from now on, because I have that many Lavinia stamps that I've not even used most of them, so I need to start using them, then I can start buying more. Once I've started using them, I'm really bad at, I need to have everything, I need to collect everything, so I have got a bit of an OCD when it comes to things like that. But that's the latest one, and hopefully this video will get up sooner rather than later, because I'm been a bit all over the place with my videos lately, and I do realise that. So, but I do hope you've enjoyed this video. It's short and sweet, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.